Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your US bank with the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to keep track of your finances and you're using the NerdWallet app, but you also bank with US Bank. How do you actually go ahead and connect both of them together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto the NerdWallet app. Next, click on the three lines in the upper left-hand corner. From here, click on Financial Info, then click on Linked Financial Institutions. Next, click on Add Your First Account, and then it's going to ask you to accept some terms and services, so accept those. Then on the bottom-hand side, click on Continue as Guest. Now go ahead and find US Bank and click on it, and it's going to prompt you to actually log into the US Bank, and then once you're logged in, just select which boxes or accounts you want to connect to the NerdWallet app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your US Bank to the NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.